Thinking of starting an LLC in California? Heads up, this state comes with a hefty $800 annual tax and some serious paperwork. But if you do it right, it can also give your business the legal protection and credibility it needs to grow. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from naming your business to staying compliant with California's strict requirements. Plus, I'll share a common mistake that trips up a lot of first-time founders near the end, so stick around for that. I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs across the globe launch their U.S. companies 100% remotely, and I'm here to help you do the same in California. All right, first things first, let's talk about your LLC name. California is pretty strict when it comes to business names. It has to be unique, must include LLC or limited liability company, and can't include words like bank or insurance unless you get special approval. Before you fall in love with a name, run it through California's business entity search tool. Trust me, nothing's worse than designing a logo only to find out someone else already has the name. Next up, registered agents. This is your LLC's official point of contact for legal documents, state notices, and other serious mail. Yes, you can technically be your own registered agent, but that means your personal address goes on public record. Plus, you have to be available during business hours, which, let's be honest, isn't ideal if you're traveling or running a busy schedule. Most smart founders just hire a professional. Business Anywhere offers a registered agent service that keeps your info private and makes sure you never miss a document. Now let's get official. Filing your articles of organization. This is the document that legally forms your LLC in California. You'll file Form LLC-1 with the Secretary of State, include your LLC's name, business address, registered agent, and management structure, and pay a $70 fee. Filing online is faster, and Business Anywhere can handle this for you if you'd rather not deal with government portals. Once your LLC is formed, it's time for the operating agreement. California doesn't require you to file this document, but you should absolutely create one, especially if you have business partners. It outlines how your company is run, who owns what, and what happens if someone leaves. Even solo founders benefit because banks often require it to open a business account. You can draft it yourself or let Business Anywhere create a customized one for you. Okay, now you need your EIN. This is your business's tax ID number from the IRS. You'll need it to pay taxes, open a business bank account, and hire employees if you grow. You can apply for free on the IRS website, but if you'd rather not mess with confusing forms, we at Business Anywhere can handle your EIN filing for you. If this has been helpful so far, give this video a quick like. It helps get this info in front of more founders who need it. Now here's where most California founders mess up: the statement of information. You've got 90 days after filing your LLC to submit Form LLC-12. This confirms your business address, registered agent, and manager details. It's $20 and must be renewed every 2 years. Forget to file it and you're looking at penalties. So you better set a reminder. Let's talk money. Specifically, California's franchise tax. Every LLC owes at least $800 per year. Even if your company earns $0, you still owe this. That's due by the 15th day of the 4th month after your LLC is formed. So if you start on January 1st, you owe it by May 15th. If your revenue climbs, you may owe more, so it's smart to work with a tax pro. Quick heads up, starting your LLC doesn't mean you're licensed to operate. Depending on your city, you might need a business license, seller's permit, or zoning clearance. Los Angeles and San Francisco are especially strict about this. Now, meet Diego. He's a graphic designer from Mexico City who wanted to scale his freelance gigs into a legit creative agency. California made sense. His biggest clients were in LA, and he wanted to position himself as a local business. Using Business Anywhere, he formed his LLC, got an EIN, set up a US bank account, and started signing contracts within a week. So let's recap. To form your California LLC, pick a unique name, assign a registered agent, file your articles of organization, draft your operating agreement, get your EIN, File your statement of information and don't forget that $800 franchise tax. Want to save time and stress? Let Business Anywhere take care of all of it. We've helped thousands of entrepreneurs do it the smart way, fast, affordable, and fully remote. Check out the link in the description to get started today. What state are you thinking about forming your LLC in? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your game plan.